Hey everyone, and welcome back to my creative space. Today I wanted to do something a bit different and show you the entire ecosystem of an illustration. We are going from a raw, messy idea in my journal to a finished frame art print that you can actually hold in your hands. It all starts right here in my sketchbook. For me, the journal is a safe space. There is no pressure for perfection. I just let my hand move, playing with shapes and line until something clicks. This initial sketch is the DNA for the whole project. It's raw, it has imperfection, but it has that genuine energy that you can only get on paper. Once I feel the composition is right, I take a quick photo of it with my phone. No fancy scanners needed, just good overhead light, and we're ready for the next phase. Now we move into my digital studio, Photoshop. This is where the magic transformation really begins. The first step is always importing the photo and cleaning up the background. I love keeping the organic feel of the original lines, but digital tools give me the freedom to experiment. The colors come to life. Choosing a color pattern is probably my favorite part of the process, but it's also where I spend a lot of time tweaking. I experiment with different contrast, levels, textures, and shaping to give the piece depth. Photoshop allows me to separate elements into layers. I can change my mind 100 times without ruining the original drawing. It's a dance between keeping the traditional hard drawing warm and utilizing the crisp precision of digital art. Slowly, the sketch fades into the background and the final illustration emerges. Once the artwork is technically finished, the creative job isn't over. Now, I have to think like a designer. How will this look in a real room? To show you and my customer the true potential of a print, I need to create product presentation images so you can see exactly how it's going to look. What we call mockups. I place the high resolution file into different digital room settings. I look at how the light hits the paper, how the color interact with different wall textures, and what kind of frame complements the artwork best. This step is crucial because art isn't meant to just live on a screen, it's meant to live on a wall, bringing character to a space. Seeing it in a virtual frame always gives me such a rush of satisfaction. It suddenly feels real. Alright, now that the part that most artists doesn't talk about enough, the business side. An illustration is only a print if people can actually find it. So I head over to my website dashboard. Uploading the products means finding the right words. I write the description, trying to convey the mood and the story behind the piece, while also making sure all the technical details are clear, like paper quality, size, and shipping info. I set up the pricing, upload the presentation images we just made, and with one final click, it's live. For me, it's always incredibly rewarding to know that anyone around the world can now have a piece of my art in their home. And here we are at the end of the journey. This is how the final illustrations looks when it's printed, framed, and styled. Seeing the transformation from the messy notebook scribble to this clean, elegant art print, it's always a surreal feeling. If you love this piece and want to support my journey as an independent artist, it is officially available on my shop right now. You can find the direct link in the description box below. Thank you for watching, for hanging out with me through these 5 minutes whirlwind, and for being part of my creative world. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more behind the scenes content, and let me know in the comments what you think of the final results. See you in the next video. Bye, kisses.